In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hidden chat in Facebook Messenger. This will help you find conversations you thought were gone, but are only archived and tucked out of sight. Start by opening the Messenger app on your Android phone or your iPhone. When the app opens, you should see your recent conversations in a list, with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If Messenger asks you to log in, make sure you use the same Facebook account where the hidden chats were originally created. Once you see your usual chat list, you are ready to move on. From here, tap Menu or your profile picture, depending on how your app looks. On some phones, this is a small circular image of your profile in the top left. On others, you may see the word Menu or 3 horizontal lines in the corner. When you tap it, a new screen or panel opens with options like your name, active status, and settings. This is where Messenger keeps shortcuts to different message folders. Now tap Archived or Archived Chats. On most versions, you will see archived chats listed along with options for message requests and maybe calls. When you tap it, Messenger switches to a new view that looks like your normal inbox, but this one contains only archived conversations. These are chats you or sometimes the app moved out of the main inbox, so they no longer appear with your regular messages. With that ready, take a moment to view your hidden conversations. You should now see a list of people or groups that you have previously chatted with, even if you have not spoken to them in a long time. Each entry will still show the contact name, their profile picture, and a short preview of the last message. Beginners are often surprised here, because archiving a chat never deletes it. It only hides it from the main inbox, so everything you wrote is still visible in this list. Next up, tap a chat to open it. When you select one conversation from the archive, Messenger opens the full message history, just like any other chat. You can scroll up to read older messages and see photos, links, and reactions that were shared before it was archived. At this point, nothing has changed about where the chat is stored. You are simply viewing it inside the archived section. After that, send a message to move it back to your inbox. Type a short message in the box at the bottom, then tap Send. The moment your new message sends, Messenger automatically takes that conversation out of archived chats and puts it back into your main inbox list. You can confirm this by going back to the regular chat screen where the conversation now appears at the top with the most recent messages. You have now found your hidden Messenger chats and pulled any conversation you wanted back into your main inbox. If this helped you recover an archived chat, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Messenger tips.